personal insult?
Normally, insult will go first.
So for me, I like insults more than motivational speakers.
In fact, insult help a lot. You might not understand it immediately, but when you now...
The year is about to end and so many people feel like they have not made their 2021 goal. And some people are setting target for 2022 goals. But my question this evening is this: will motivational speaking or listening to motivational speakers motivate you more than personal insults? Why do you think so?
I don't know. If you're a married man, if your wife has ever insulted you because you don't have much, or you are not up to the task, you are not up to the expectation, or you come back from work or from anywhere you're coming from, and your children are in need of something and you are not able to provide it for them, that is big insult that will trigger you to go out there and do better than you have been doing before.
Oh God, yeah, I agree with you.
If you have been taking it easy on the streets while hustling, that alone will motivate you to do more. When your girlfriend as a guy insults you, personally, you take the insult personally. Don't see it as if she is insulting you because you want to, but go extra mile. The extra mile I'm talking about is not all about putting our hands into bouting.
Okay, yeah.
Or doing things that is not uncalled for. You understand?
Yeah, yeah.
But the truth is that alone will trigger you to go out there and hustle like never before. To put something, to clear her doubt, to tell her that you are not just a nobody.
Left for me, I think when someone insults me, only thing I do, I may fight at that moment, but after then I will sit back and this is why this person insulting me. What do I need to do to prove the person wrong, that so that next time he won't have the chance to insult me again?
Normally, insult will go first. Insult will make you do something, especially when the person insulting you is not up to your category, or you know you can do better, you have more potential.
To my own level of understanding, are you getting me? But they say the stone they throw at you, you should use it to build. You understand? I can also, when I throw this stone, you can also use this stone, you understand, to build a house for yourself or build a home for yourself.
Idiom.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
If you say you won't listen to motivational speaking, are you getting me? You know the hustle, you go do both for the rest of your life. But one person insult you, like for example now, let me tell you, if I come to this my brother now, ask him for something, maybe ask that thing with him. Are you getting me now? If not, give it to me. He say get out. I do not have it, and he have it. I say I don't have to get out. I don't go and look for your own. Are you getting me? I can also sit down. What this person get like this? What makes him get this thing? Can I meet you like as this person I get it, I can also get it now. Because the insult I receive from me.
Okay.
But somebody can go for motivational speaking. I'm on a person go broke, bro. So no go there.
My brother, the best thing that will motivate you in this life is insult. When a man insults you, you feel like burying yourself. You see this car? It was because of a girl insulted me. That was why I bought this car. I am telling you, when I came to Abuja newly, I was just concentrating on my life. I saw one young lady, her name was Nkechi. When I toasted Nkechi that day, Nkechi told me, get out, go and buy a car. You understand? So motivation is insult. Yes.
You are telling me the truth now.
Yes, I am telling you the truth.
So it's better for somebody to insult you than for you to...
It is not like motivational speeches will not motivate you, but what will really push you, drive you, as a lady told you before that, you don't see your mate.
I understand.
Brother, you can even travel outside the country or with barefooted just to make money and come and impress